Consuming bad foods. When someone consumes beans, rice, milk, cheese, butter and eggs, by the time that person reaches the age of 30, there is already a manifestation of disease. Because the mucous membrane has been compromised to the acid foods that we've been ingesting. In that breaking down of the cells, the part that suffers first is the brain. The body is presented with stress, and the thought pattern changes. Only eat live alkaline plant foods from the Dr. Sebi nutritional guide while you are on your cleanse, and only consumed fresh juice, smoothies, water, sea moss, fruits, and vegetables. Visit www.veganchoicefoods.com to get your everything branches off iron. If you don't have it, you will have to deal with the symptoms until you take action. If you are just starting out, focus on cleansing the colon before you focus on iron. You cannot wax a dirty car. Iron. Iron is the mineral that conveys oxygen to the brain. Iron should have carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The CHO chain. Herbs with high iron content which will heal you from anemia/sickle cell. It is the deprivation of iron fluorine. Sickle cell anemia is when the blood plasma has broken down by mucus into a sickle. Mucus sinks into the plasma, into the cell itself, breaks and disunites the cell. Removing the mucus, the cell unites again. To maintain that level, you have to feed the patient large doses of iron phosphate. Not ferrous oxide. Sarsaparilla, highest content of iron. Guaco, it's high in iron and strengthens the immune system. But has potassium phosphate. Concansa, an African plant, has the highest concentration of potassium phosphate. Sea moss minerals include zinc, magnesium, iodine, bromine, calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium. Lily of the valley, rich in iron, fluorine, and potassium phosphate. Click here to order iron fluorine/potassium phosphate herbs package. Cure sickle cell anemia. Disease. Disease. Every disease is caused by the deprivation of oxygen. The only thing that causes the body to go into erosion is acid. Mucus causes erosion in the body. The erosion is the deprivation of oxygen. Herpes lives off of sugars and starch. Mucous membrane. There is only one disease, and that is the result of the mucous membrane being compromised. The mucous membrane is necessary to maintain health because it is the membrane that protects the cells. When you break the mucous membrane down, it turns to pus and exposes the cells. Below are a list of herbs that are good sources of iron. 1. Anemu, guinea hen weed. Not only is it rich in iron, it is also used for cleansing the body of harmful organisms and stimulating the immune system. Used to make teas, tinctures and extracts. 2. Blue vervain. Used to soothe the nervous system, detoxify the body, reduce inflammation, stress and depression, and protect the immune system. Used to make teas, tinctures and extracts. Blue vervain herb. Blue vervain. 3. Burdock. Known as one of the best blood purifiers, it has diuretic properties, which means it aids the body in removing toxins through the urine. Use root as vegetable, drink as tea, root, leaf, flower, or add herb powder to smoothies. 4. Callaloo, amaranth, Jamaican callaloo. Also a good source of potassium and calcium. Callaloo is also rich in antioxidants and is a great immune booster. Leaves and stems can be cooked, blended into smoothie, or added to raw salad meal. 5. Chickweed. Used as an astringent for kidney complaints, has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to combat obesity. Can be used to make tea, tinctures and extracts. Chickweed. Chickweed. 6. Cancansa, red willow bark, Cancasa. Also contains a high concentration of potassium phosphate. It is anti-inflammatory, used to soothe menstrual cramps, prevent heart attack, reduce pains and alleviate headaches. Can be used to make tea, tinctures and extracts. 7. Dandelion. Among its many uses include curing anemia, cancer, liver disorders, diabetes, urinary disorders, acne and jaundice. Leaves can be cooked or added to smoothies or a raw meal. Root taken in capsule or used to make tea. 8. Elderberries. Improve vision, boost the immune system, improve heart health, coughs, colds and flu symptoms. It is also used for bacterial and viral infections. Prepare it as a tea, dried berries, or blend it into a shake. 9. Kale. Also high in calcium. It is an antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. Can be cooked or added to smoothies or a raw meal. 10. Lamb's quarters. Also used for scurvy, preventing or curing skin disorders, including vitiligo, also stomachache and diarrhea. Can be cooked or added to smoothies or eaten raw. Lamb's quarters, source of iron. Lamb's quarters. 11. Lily of the valley. Rich in iron, fluorine, and potassium phosphate. It's used as a diuretic, cardiac tonic, heart failure, irregular heartbeats, breast cancer, kidney stones and addressing central nervous system. Can be used to make teas, tinctures, extract, infusions and essential oils. 12. Purslane. Used to strengthen the immune system, build strong bones, diarrhea and intestinal issues. Can be cooked, added to smoothies or eaten raw. Purslane. Purslane. 13. Sarsaparilla. Has high content of iron. Blood purifier. It is used for treating kidney diseases, psoriasis and other skin diseases, fluid retention, and for increasing sweating and also rheumatoid arthritis. Can be used to make teas, tinctures and infusions. 14. Sarsaparilla. It is the berry from the plant of the sarsaparilla. It has a high concentration of iron. It calms the central nervous system, ionization, gives energy and strengthens the immune system. Used to make juices. Dried berry can use to make teas, extracts and tinctures. 15. Sea vegetables/seaweeds, for example. Sea moss, bladderwrack, wakame, dulse, arame, hijiki, nori. These are rich in minerals. They can be used to improve overall health, as a tonic for the body and also to detoxify the body. Can be added to smoothies or cooking or taken in powdered form. 16. Stinging nettle, an astringent, diuretic, used for prostrate, BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia, urinary problems, infections, inflammation, and also kidney stones. Used to make teas, tinctures, can be taken in powdered form. 17. Yellow dock. Blood cleanser/purifier, liver cleanser, detoxifies the body, STD, scurvy, respiratory issues, used to make teas, tinctures, taken powdered form. If you are taking medication, please seek the advice of your physician or an experienced herbalist before taking any of these herbs.